In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free FTMO account. Before we begin, let's clear the biggest misconception. There is no way to obtain a real funded FTMO account for free. FTMO does not give out live funded accounts without payment. However, you can absolutely get a completely free FTMO trial, which is a practice account designed to mirror the FTMO challenge rules without any cost. Think of it as your rehearsal stage to test strategies, learn the rules, and build confidence before risking money. Here's how to set it up. Go to the official FTMO website in your browser. Create a client area login if you don't already have one. It takes just a moment and doesn't require payment details for the trial. Once inside the client area, look for the free trial option and select it. You'll be asked to choose your preferred trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, and to select an account size. Pick the environment that matches how you plan to trade in the paid challenge later, then confirm, and your trial account will be generated. From there, you can start trading right away using the credentials provided in your client area. The free trial runs for 14 calendar days. Only one trial can be active at a time, but when it expires, you can create another one. That means you can continue practicing in cycles until you're consistently following the rules and hitting your targets. What makes the trial valuable is that it closely simulates the FTMO challenge. The risk limits and objectives mirror the real evaluation, so you can practice under the same conditions you'll face when money is on the line. Use the 2 weeks to test your strategy, refine position sizing, and build discipline around maximum daily loss and overall drawdown. Treat the demo as if it were live, because habits formed here will carry over. A few tips to get the most out of it. Trade during the same sessions you would in the challenge. Keep a journal of entries, exits, and emotions. Review your metrics daily, and avoid overtrading just to chase the profit target. If the trial ends before you're satisfied, start a new one and focus on a single improvement each round. To recap, a free funded FTMO account does not exist, but a free FTMO trial does, and it's the best way to prepare without risk. Set it up in the client area, choose your platform and account size, and practice for 14 days at a time until you're ready to pay for the real evaluation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you start strong and stay disciplined.